So as I'm sitting in this sacred space here and just really enjoying the light and the colours around on this beautiful day. It's the end of November and the earth is, it's unusual for this time of year. Yeah, very unusual. There's still lots of green around and there's flowers and colour, and it still feels quite vibrant in terms of the actual season itself. So we've still got lots of energy around and in the trees and in the spaces around in the city here that have, there's lots of garden space here in Edinburgh. It's beautiful city, and it's a lovely city to walk in. So I thought I would do a little meditation based on the sacred, and just to allow you to get a feel for the sacred within yourself. So I'm just going to start the meditation. Just give you a few moments to relax. I'm just entering into the stillness inside. So as you connect with your inner space and really bringing your awareness into your own inner sanctuary, just allowing yourself to deepen into yourself. And just allowing you to feel this energy inside. And as you enter into your own sacred space, just feel the warmth and the joy of the connection as you reconnect with parts of your soul. And your own sense of value in who you are. And feeling the blessings of unity and that deep feeling of peace inside. Just very gently, just allowing your body to relax, the physical vehicle that you carry through this life, and really entering into that space of letting go. And deepening into source, feeling your own connection there with your life force and source energy. very beautiful space. Breathing in the love of Source and the love of the Divine. So just allowing yourself to be. Breathing into that space. Love for yourself. And feeling the blessing of being who you are. A divine soul. So just bringing that sense of peace into every cell of the body. Just bringing the sense of unity through every cell of your being. And just blessing this connection. Just feel the blessing coming through of this sacred union with Source. Beautiful. So I'm going to leave you with that sense of connection there, and in your own time you can just gently awaken. Blessings to you all, and love. Namaste.